First, open up CapCut and click on New Project. Take your time here to browse your gallery and select a premium-looking background. You want something clean and high-end, perhaps a dark, subtle texture or a sleek gradient. Then select Add Overlay. For this step, we are going to bring in a solid color. Select a rich purple or a deep blue background from your stock library or gallery. These colors are fantastic for establishing trust and a professional aesthetic. Once that purple or blue layer is added to your timeline, go ahead and drag the edge of that clip to extend its duration. Tap on it and select the rectangle shape. Now, let us adjust this mask. Use your fingers to elongate the rectangle slightly, making it more vertical. You want to make sure it is completely even on all four sides. It should look balanced and perfectly centered on your screen. Fans of CapCut might call this splice. Click on it and scroll through the blending modes until you find. Go back to the main menu, tap Add Overlay again, and import a professional photo of yourself. Make sure it is a high-quality corporate-style photo. A clean, well-lit headshot where you are wearing a proper shirt under a blazer works perfectly here to maintain that top-tier professional standard. Once it is imported, use two fingers to adjust its size and place it right over the center of your colored rectangle. Now, we need to frame it perfectly. With your photo layer selected, go back into the mask tool and choose rectangle again. Carefully adjust the size of the mask so it perfectly frames your photo to match the exact width of the shape behind it. Take your time here to get the alignment just right. Once it looks perfect, tap the check mark and extend this photo layer on your timeline so it matches the rest of your clips. Alright, now we are going to bring this to life using keyframes. Pay close attention here. Go to the very beginning of your timeline. Add a keyframe to your main background video. Now, tap on your purple background layer and add a keyframe right in line with the first one. Move your playhead a little bit forward on the timeline, maybe about 1 or 2 seconds in, and add a second keyframe. Then, move a bit further down and add a third keyframe. You should now have 3 keyframes locked in on your color layer. Let us animate. Go back to the mask tool. At your first keyframe, scale the mask size all the way down to 0. It should be invisible. Move to the second keyframe. Animate it so it elongates and rounds out. Move to the third keyframe. Let the shape fully expand into its final position. Now, go to the exact point in your timeline where the shape starts expanding. Select your photo layer and add a keyframe there. Customize your photo's movement so it grows and reveals exactly at the same speed as the shape behind it. They need to expand together perfectly. Your text. Tap on text and then add text. Type in your name. Choose a bold, clean font. Next, add a subtitle with your professional designation. For example, you can write something like 30 plus years of experience or senior social media manager. Potential clients. To wrap it all up in a bow, tap on each text layer, go to animations and choose a smooth in animation for each one. Stagger them so your name appears first, then your experience, and finally your call to action. And there you have it. A 100% professional agency-level video intro made right on your phone. Export this in the highest quality and you are ready to impress your clients.